Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. I'm very excited to share something with all of you today, which is very simple, quick, a glowy, instant high shine vibe. So let's get started. Remember in my last video, I used two products which are new to my makeup vanity and I enjoyed using them so much for contouring and highlight. Does it ring the bell? If it doesn't, please go and check out the last video and see how these two products created wonderful highlight and shadow effect on my face. Today, I'm just going to use these two products to create a complete look, and it will be super glowy, super shiny in a very flattering way. So it is a soulful shine day. This is the highlight which I'm going to use. It is my glowy glossy makeup. After I put this on, I will definitely pass some golden goddess vibe to all of you makeup lovers. Bronzer, NARS Laguna, and this one is Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter. And we are still in holidays, right? Let's go for a little bit deeper take on red today. It is a very awesome, beautifully done lipstick, and I'm sure everyone who loves lipstick is aware of this color. Warming up, a flat brush and a blending brush. Please clean the brushes because that is really important. It is a very clean, classy, glossy, beautiful look. So please. And if you need some tips on how to clean your brushes, let me know on the comment section and I would go for a video for that. Okay, so for now guys, I cannot wait anymore. I just cleaned my brushes and these are smelling awesome. Just going to get started with this one. Foundation on, concealer on, brows done, and all of it is covered in a separate video. Do check it out. I think you would get some useful tips out of it. A beautiful bronzer shade which is not too dark, which is not too light. Just getting on board with it is the makeup hour. Guys, get started with the contouring. This is the contouring of the eyes, and I'm just going to go around the socket line to give it a beautiful sheen and light definition, sun-kissed effect. And this bronzer is really beautiful because it has that beautiful golden shimmers. Very hard to detect, but the effect is beautiful on the skin. Shimmers are catching the light and it just looks beautiful on the skin. It looks very glowy. A little bit definition, and that's what I'm going to do with the bronzer. I can suggest two bronzers to you. One is the Balm Cosmetics Bahama Mama and the other one is my recent addition, NARS Laguna. Both are awesome for you to check out. And if you have any other bronzer in mind, please leave it on the comment section so that I can also get my hands on that. Now you are on a beautiful glowy makeup which is very trendy and it is very quick and very easy to achieve. With the same brush and with the same bronzer, I'm just going to define my lower lash line a little. And remember, you can also contour your nose if you want to. With the same bronzer, I'm just going to define my bridge of the nose a little bit, tip of the nose a little bit, and also a little bit, as if you are just coming back from a beautiful beachy location where you got plenty of sunshine and you got some natural tan. All right guys, and a little bit on the, this is a very natural way to just giving your skin a sun-kissed appeal. Same brush, and that's why I like this brush a lot. I'll leave the number so that you can check out. This is the perfect size for any contouring or blending. It's not very big or it is not very small. Though I love small brushes too for a pinpointed way of contouring, but this is really nice. And you can already see how beautifully it is and easily it is defining the features. Okay, little bit, because the sun hits there as well. So dear sun, we are missing you. We are just mimicking the effect of sun. I am a sun bunny and I just love the sun effect on my face, and I just decided to create this look because the moment I got my hands on these two products, somehow it felt that, you know, I could go for this look with these two products, and it is very easy to achieve and feels really nice, amazing. Okay, till now I'm just using the bronzer, and next I'm going to start with my highlight. Bye bronzer for now. Becca Champagne Pop. It is a very, very beautifully done highlighter. Again, another option for you to check out. Becca highlighters are really cool, and the Balm Cosmetics Berry Luminizer. Yeah, that is my favorite too. With that highlighter, I'm just going to highlight the lid. Still using my blending brush and just strobing the product in. It instantly gives, you know, light back on your lid, and we are just trying to get that effect. Not a lot of blending here, just nicely evening it out. If you are a highlighter person, and I just love the highlights so much, because even if you do not want to do much about makeup, highlights can lift the whole face up. It just feels very amazing. Reach out for those corners where you see a little bit of shadows, and this brush is beautifully spreading the product. And the best part is you don't have to be very pinpointed here, and you don't have to worry too much about the blending part here. If you are just getting started with makeup, or if you are a pro, you can give it a try, because this look itself is a very beautiful goldeny look. I must say that this is a very contemporary and all season look, because when it is summer you feel the sun on the face, and that way it looks very beautiful, shimmery, goldeny. And when it is winter, you just want to feel the warmth of the sun, and this look got you covered. Go to the brow bones as well, the high points of your face. Get the light back on the face. And there you go, guys. It will melt into your skin. It will not sit on the top of your skin, and that's the best part of this highlight. It will just mimic the glow within kind of feel. Okay, and I am going on top of my lips as well, especially the edges of the lips. It's a golden girl, golden goddess look. Just feel the sun and mimic that, like the top points of your face. When the sun hits, it just catches there. And of course, how can I forget my cheeks? So no blush today, just a bronzer and highlight golden look. Next, I'm going to go for my fan brush. I'm just going to spray my makeup mist. This is my MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime. And then with that damp brush, I'm going to go back to my highlight. On the top points of my cheeks, look at that. That beautiful dewy glow. And it feels amazing. Quick recap. Thinking of making a video on my favorite setting sprays because I enjoy a good makeup setting spray very much, and it just takes away all the powderiness, all the makeup-y feel, and gives a beautiful smooth out melted effect of makeup, the lived in makeup effect. And that is really cool when the makeup sets beautifully and the natural glow and the makeup created glow, that feels amazing. If you really want to treat yourself with a fan brush, definitely go for it, because until I use this brush I couldn't feel for a fan brush. I just love how it just spreads the highlight in a beautiful way without giving me a hard time. Just lovely. Look at this, guys. The temple and the high points of the cheek. Again, the temple and the high points of the cheek, and it's just giving you that lovely glow. You are the golden goddess today. Okay, now I'm moving on to my lips because that is a very crucial part of this look. And then we will do a little bit extra. Taking these three products. Now this lip is going to be a high shine lip for me because that's what I really want to achieve. And trust me, when it is winter and your lips are feeling a little bit dry, a beautiful gloss on top of your favorite lip color is going to save you. My favorite lip pencil from Makeup Forever. Glides on. I like to fill in. It's so smooth and so buttery. It's very beautiful. Next, I'm going to go for my first ever lip color from MAC. Diva from MAC. I somehow feel that a wine kind of lip color would really rock this look. That's what I'm going for. As I said, strobing really helps. Go a beautiful full-on lip color, and it's a deeper take of red. We are still in holidays. A little bit more with the lip pencil. A clean brush, flat brush. Just take the highlight and place it on the center. It will lock the lip color as well and give it some extra shine. On top of that, high shine lip gloss. If you have a clear lip gloss, go for it. I just have this beautiful plum shade which really looks good on top of MAC Diva, so I'm just going to go for that. A beautiful vinyl feel. Start from the center so that your product, most of the product, gets its place on the center of the lip, and with the remaining product you can just try to go around the edges. And now the final touch, curling the lashes and pairing it with your favorite mascara. Take your time with it because here we are not going to define our lash line, although if you want to you can, but this is a very quick look, so I'm just going for my lashes, defined lashes. The tips, let the lashes fall on the mascara wand, and that way. And I'm not going on my lower lash line today. I'm just keeping it clean on my lower lash line, like the baby clean. Any mascara oopsies, and I'm just pressing the lashes a little bit upwards and cleaning it up if there is any residue. Clean up with the brush because we really have to look for the smudges or some residue that we do not want. Okay, final touch of spray. I just love the feeling of this, love it. And here it is, my golden goddess look. Wasn't it pretty simple? And I'm sure if you like this kind of rich lips and a beautiful glowy face, you would definitely give it a try. So guys, spread the joy of makeup, like, share, subscribe, and come back again for some cool tips, some beautiful looks, and some gorgeous products. This is Soma saying bye to you. Have a very, very happy, healthy, and good day. Bye.